Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. This is Raja Kushal from Higher Secondary School Kandi. Today I came up with a poem called Speak Up. It's a beautiful expression by Faz Ahmad Faz in Urdu, Bol, and later got translated by Shukri Kumar in English. It's all about the late rule of British era and their atrocities on Indians. Uh, First, before proceeding to poem, let me tell you something about the Faz Ahmad Faz. Faz born on 1911 and died on 1984 in Punjab, Pakistan. Now it's in Pakistan, although at that very juncture, the India and Pakistan were one country. He is regarded as the one of the most influential and eminent poet of the 20th century, whose ambition was that to translate the poetry into real life approach. His very famous poetry for poetry's sakes to poetry with a purpose has a great impact, and the very chorus has changed its pendulum. So this very poem is from the collection of Faz Naqsh Faryadi. We would like to represent it in a most emphatic manner. Please, here we go. Listen carefully. Speak up, for your lips are not sealed, and your words are still your own. This upright body is yours. Speak while your soul is still yours. Owen. Speak up. He once say that your lips are not sealed, they are not locked, they are still yours. You have a soul in your body. You have a pitch. Your mouth, your voice can be heard. You can speak. You can speak from your heart. You should not lay down to the you should not submit each and everything at the wheels of the British. You should speak up. He is addressing to a layman. Speak up, for your lips are not sealed. That you are free to speak. You can speak. It's you are entitled to speak. You have a right to speak. You can speak, and your words are still your own. Sometimes we have side chicks who make the nation who make the nation to bow down, but he addresses to laymen that your words are still your own. You are owned by yourself. Nobody can force you. You can speak wherever you go, whenever you find an opportunity. You can speak. This upright body is yours means you are still alive. You have a soul in your body. You are not on the shoulders. You are not bedridden. You can speak in any manner at any place because you are still alive. Speak while your soul is still your own. Speak unless you are there. If you die, you would not be, because dead are not supposed to speak. So he addresses a layman that your body is still there, your tongue is still there. You can speak. You can say from your heart in any position at any juncture. Uh, Modi, I got. Look, look there in that smithy. It's a red oven, fires flames, and the padlocks are already opening their mouths, and each fatto is skirting around. Look there in that smithy. He is making a metaphoric, imaginative way to address the already inflamed rebels, already the most anticipated rebel that took place around 1930s to 1940s. Look there in that smithy. He is referring the smith, the ironsmith position, their whole lot of ignition to the local folks. It's red oven, fires flames. It's very red hot. It's quite well. You can mold it anywhere, any manner. Fires flames. Everybody is approaching, and they can be charged up to the visher level. The padlock all already opening their mouths means the locks are being opened. Their U-shaped curve of a lock is being unlocked, and each flatter is scatting around, and the flatters that you have chained with are scatting around, that getting apart. They mean splitted. Speak up now, for time's running out. Speak up. this is too short. The life is too short. You are there to speak. You should be accountable. He is telling that speak out. Still you are alive. You can be haunted. You can be gutted down. So speak before that, before your body and mind faded away. When your body is faded away, you will not be able to speak. Before getting faded away, you have to speak. He is telling the layman, please speak out from your heart. Tell us the truth is not yet dead. There is many section of people who can speak truth, and this truth is there. The truth is of that we shall be freed, that you have to speak, that speak whatever you have to say, whatever which is most prominent, which is most desired, you have to speak it out. I hope you get it. Later we shall discuss the metaphoric imagery being used in this poem. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Allah Hafiz.